Felix exposes how to raise money at 0% interest. If I told you that right now, today, in 2025, you could legally access thousands of pounds, tens of thousands, even six figures of capital at 0% interest, with no collateral, without a bank manager, and without risking your home, your car, or your savings, you would probably say it sounds like a scam, too good to be true, impossible. But what if I told you that the wealthy have been doing this for decades? Business owners do it, entrepreneurs do it, property investors do it, even politicians do it behind the scenes through funding vehicles nobody talks about. And the only reason you aren't doing it is because nobody ever taught you how the system really works. I'm Felix, and this is Mindful Money and Meals. Today, I'm exposing the hidden world of 0% interest money and the exact strategies used by ex-financial advisors, credit experts, and insiders who understand the system better than anyone else. By the end of this video, you're going to know how the wealthy access capital with no interest, why banks secretly want you to do this, the loopholes lenders don't advertise, the safest ways to use 0% money without destroying your credit, and the traps that can ruin you if you do it wrong. This is not financial advice. This is financial education, the kind you were never supposed to learn. Let's begin. Part 1. The secret the wealthy. No. Most people grow up being told, never borrow money, don't use credit, debt is dangerous, only use cash. But this is not how the wealthy operate. The poor use cash, the middle class use loans. The wealthy use credit strategically, at as close to 0% as possible. Credit is not the enemy. High interest is the enemy. Rich people don't avoid debt. They avoid expensive debt. They use 0% business cards, 0% balance transfers, 0% promotional loans, credit stacking, business credit lines, credit-based funding, 0% supplier terms, and even government-backed interest-free programs. Why? Because free money lets you grow a business, flip products, start an online store, buy equipment, invest in content creation, improve your life, cover emergencies, build credit, and build wealth. The system was designed this way. Corporate America does it, banks themselves do it, but the average person never learns any of this. Let's break the system wide open. Part 2. The 0% credit card game. You've probably seen offers like 0% APR for 12 months, 0% balance transfer for 18 months, 0% on purchases for 21 months. These are real, they are legal, and they are intentionally offered because banks want one thing: high-quality borrowers they can turn into long-term customers. But here's the twist. Banks expect most people to miss payments, carry a balance, get charged fees, move into high APR after the promo ends. The whole game changes when you use the promo period, then exit with 0 interest paid. This is how insiders use the system. 1. Apply for 0% purchase cards. You get 12 to 24 months to spend money at 0%. Used correctly, this is free capital. 2. Apply for 0% balance transfer cards. This allows you to move debt from one card to another, restarting the 0% clock. This is legal. This is common. Big companies literally operate on the same principle. 3. Use 0% cards for investments, not lifestyle. The insider's rule is simple. If it doesn't make money or save money, don't use 0% credit to buy it. Examples of good uses: equipment for your business, inventory, online courses, video production tools, marketing, property deposits, business software, emergency opportunities, bad uses, holidays, clothes, parties, gambling, expensive dinners. 0% is not an excuse to live above your means. It's a tool to accelerate your goals. 4. The recycle strategy, known only by credit experts. Here's the real secret. Before the 0% ends, move the balance to another 0% card. This allows you to hold cheap capital for years. Example: Year 1, 0% card, A. Year 2, transfer to 0% card, B. Year 3, transfer to 0% card, C. If you do this properly, you never pay interest, you never ruin your credit, you maintain free capital while building your credit score higher. That is the game. But honestly, the 0% credit card strategy is only level 1. Now we go deeper. Part 3, business credit. The ultimate 0% money. This is where financial advisors make their money. It's not personal credit that changes your life. It's business credit. Business credit gives you access to higher limits, better approvals, 0% promotional offers, cards that don't report to your personal credit, funding without tax returns, funding without collateral. Most entrepreneurs don't know. Businesses qualify for credit the same way people do. A 3-week-old business can get 0% cards. You can separate risk from your personal finances. Here's how insiders do it. Step 1. Create a limited company, UK, or LLC, US. This establishes a separate financial identity. Step 2. Build the business credit profile. This includes business bank account, business phone, business email, business address, website, proper psych/NAICS codes. Step 3. Apply for 0% business cards. These cards commonly offer 0% for 12 to 18 months. Limits from £5,000 to £50,000. No effect on your personal credit utilization. This is what entrepreneurs use to buy equipment, buy stock, pay suppliers, run ads, launch new ventures, scale operations, manage cash flow. Step 4. Credit stacking. This is a pro-level tactic. Apply for multiple business cards on the same day before the credit bureau's update. Insiders call this same-day stacking. It allows you to get £20,000, £50,000, £80,000, even £150,000 at 0% in a single week. This is the strategy used by YouTubers, e-commerce sellers, property investors, consultants, coaches, startups. The wealthy have been doing this forever. You are just now being shown the playbook. Part 4. The hidden world of 0% supplier credit. This is the secret most financial advisors never talk about. Supplier credit means you get products, materials, or services, and you pay 30 to 90 days later at 0% interest. This exists in almost every industry: construction, dropshipping, e-commerce, restaurants, retail, editing and production, manufacturing, import-export. Examples: net 30 terms, net 45 terms, pay after delivery, invoice financing, trade accounts, line of credit with suppliers. This is how businesses grow fast without cash. Imagine, you buy £5,000 worth of goods. You get 60 days to pay. You sell them in 14 days. You collect profit. Then you pay the supplier. You grow with free money, 0 interest, 0 bank involvement. This is how rich people grow empires. Part 5. The government's hidden 0% programs. Most people don't know. Governments actually want citizens to start businesses. That's why many countries offer 0% startup loans, 0% educational loans, 0% small business programs, 0% government-backed credit lines. Examples: United Kingdom, Startup Loans Program, fixed 0% for the first months. Bounce-back loans, historical, 2.5% fixed, near 0%. Apprentice and training loans, United States. SBA programs, some with 0% promotional periods. Veteran startup funding, educational funding, European countries. Many include 0% entrepreneurial grants, 0% innovation loans, 0% infrastructure support. These programs are never advertised heavily because banks prefer you take high APR loans. Governments don't want abuse. Most people simply don't look for them, but insiders do. Part 6. How to use 0% money safely. 0% interest is powerful, but dangerous if misused. Follow the golden rules. Rule 1. Never use 0% for lifestyle spending. Credit is a tool, not a toy. Rule 2. Only borrow what generates ROI. Every pound should produce more pounds. Rule 3. Track your expiration dates. Set reminders 60 days before the promo ends. Rule 4. Always have a backup 0% card ready. This ensures you never pay interest. Rule 5. Grow your credit score, because more credit equals more opportunity. Rule 6. Never miss a payment, even by one day. One late payment can end all your 0% offers. Part 7. The ethical question. Is this even fair? And here's the truth. The system is designed so the wealthy win. They borrow at 0 to 2% and invest at 8 to 20% returns. Regular people borrow at 20 to 35% just to survive. This isn't by accident, it's by design. Learning how to access 0% money is not cheating the system. It's simply learning the rules the wealthy already play by. And now, you can play too. Conclusion. If you reached this point, you now understand more about credit, funding, and 0% money than 99% of people in your country. You are officially ahead of the game. If you want more videos like this, if you want a breakdown of how to get £100,000 in 48 hours, how to stack 0% cards, how to build business credit fast, how to grow wealth using free money, let me know in the comments below. This is Felix. This is Mindful Money and Meals. And as always, stay mindful, stay smart, stay one step ahead. See you in the next one.